conference, we would like to have a platform where the German and the Irish energy markets can meet. We want to foster business relationships.
So we need events like this one today to establish even more bridges, to establish more contact, to create networks of people who know each other, who can work together. And especially, I think, in the field of business, it shows that with Brexit now there's a lot of potential with strengthening our relations. And also I find it important to do that in areas which are so timely as wind energy because of the pressure that is there for us all to handle climate change.
I'm delighted to be here to support the joint ventures between Irish and German companies in the wind sector. There's no doubt that Ireland and indeed Germany are looking to massively expand renewables on our grid. We need to get the best skills and the best resources to deploy that, and this will be a very significant European asset in time.
Today was very good. There was a presentation by the people developing the offshore wind here off Dublin. You may have seen that very interesting presentation with the future potential of offshore cables supporting land cables. That is of great interest to us.
And wind energy will be the biggest contributor to that renewable electricity target, contributing over 85% of it.
I suppose we've ambitious targets. We want to get to 70% renewable energy by 2030, which is it's great to see. It's an ambitious target, and we're very keen to deliver that. We need a collaborative approach to solve global warming and climate change, and we need to be collaborative as well in our approach with engineering solutions. So it's a great opportunity to work with German and Irish companies together on finding a solution to a global problem that we have.
We have a group of companies that we have identified as having capabilities in particular areas, but we know that those capabilities are weak in certain areas, and it may well be that German partners have the additional capability that, working with our Irish companies in partnership, we might be able to offer a stronger offering to the market with mutual benefits for both Irish and German companies.
We came here to see if we have future business cooperations with different people. New prospects to meet other people we do not know on the Irish market yet, and to find if there are possibilities in the market that we have not seen yet.
They organized the meetings and the conference, and so we can get in touch with people from here, and it's probably the easiest way to enter a market. Yes, sure. I had like 3 or 4 meetings, and they were quite interesting, and I might have 5 or 6 another meetings in the next days, so I'm quite happy with that.
I think that companies can profit a lot from conferences like these. It is about networking, it is about getting to know each other, it is getting to know the partner's view on things, where they come from, and what is the general background for those companies. It is also nice to get a feeling for the other country. It's important to understand also the countries the other companies come from, also to see how do they do business, and all that helps to do. So I'm very grateful to the Chamber for organizing this event, and I wish everyone good luck, and I really hope that as a result we will see more business between Germany and Ireland.
So this is an exciting time to be part of the European project, and we are wholly and foursquare committed to working with our European colleagues to make that vision for Europe a reality.